Away. Lingle with the basketball. Here's Wonder with it. Top of the key. Kick out right side. 18-footer on the way. That's up and good by Shaylin Wonder. To Kosmicki. Back to Wernsman. 18-footer on the way. That's off the mark. No good. Rebound. Put back on the way. Up and good by Hadley Leithhead. Yeah, good job. He snaps a pass right side over to Llewellyn. Now Leithhead. 15-footer on the way. That's good. Had across the timeline over to Skyla Wonder. Skyla, top of the arc. 3 on the way. That's good. This is where that shot clock would come into effect. The feed in deep to Booth. Shot up, rolls off the rim. Rebound, put back is up and good by Leithhead, and she's fouled. Working hard for that rebound. We'll go to the line for the and one. The personal foul will go on Charlotte Spechner. Her first. The and one is on the attack. Looking to tie it up here. Charlotte Spechner, kick out left side. Shot on the way from 15. That's up and good by Mickey in the backcourt. Across the timeline. In deep, wide open Leithhead. Bank it up, good.
Shenaro
was tied up by Spechner. The entry into Charlotte Spechner will put it up and in. Kosmicki. Kosmicki, pump fake on the 3, leans in. 15-footer on the way, knocked it down. Her first with a basketball, going to be tapped and stolen away by Wonder, and Wonder on the breakaway will lay it up down by Willie. Lingle with a basketball. Right side, 18-footer on the way. That is good by Skyla Wonder. She has 7
points from Southeast.
Cyclones to inbound. They do so to Leithhead. The shot is up and good, and she's fouled. Up top, they go to Skyla Wonder. Skyla on the dribble to Charlotte Spechner. 15-footer on the way. That's good. Nothing but net. Olsen had it deflected. Southeast comes up with a basketball. And the nifty move in the paint.
Hatch will check in for Willie.
Doggers to inbound. They do so to Charlotte Spechner, and she'll put it up good off the glass. Down the board. Kick out right side to Llewellyn. Llewellyn with a basketball. Feeds it in deep, and the shot is up by Booth. Now the 18-footer on the way. That's off, no good. Charlotte Spechner gets the offensive board and the putback. Great Doggers the lead here. They're down by 1. Jordan, 10-footer on the way. Good. Nothing under. Skyla with a basketball. Across the timeline over to Shaylin. Back to Skyla for 3. That's good. Second. Southeast with a basketball. Here's Mills at the free throw line. Kick out right side. Kosmicki for 3. That's good. Kick out right side along the baseline into Jordan Spechner. Point blank. Puts it up and in. Snap a pass right side over to Llewellyn. Llewellyn has it snatched away. Going to be stolen away by Wonder. Kick out right side. The lean in. Llewellyn off that right block, shot up, no good, left it short. Gets her own rebound, put back on the way, got it that time. Jalen. Jordan Spechner looking for Charlotte Spechner. Top of the free throw line, 16-footer on the way, no good. Rebound, put back is good though by Shaylin Wonder. 18-footer on the way by Wonder, off the mark, no good. Dribble saved in bounds to Jordan Spechner, they'll reload. Kick out, 18-footer on the way, good by Skyla Wonder. Llewellyn will inbound it underneath their own basket. Lobs in for Kosmicki. Feeds up top. Leithhead. 18-footer. That's good. Nothing but net. Boy, no good. And the rebound comes away to Leithhead. Back to back. Now taken away by Jordan Spechner. Will put it up off the glass and good. And the quick takeaway is we open the fourth quarter by Leithhead, and she'll put it up and good. And the foul.
Best that they're having. Nice steal there to start the fourth quarter.
Absolutely, and gets the and one. She lead key. Bounce pass left side. In deep, Briley Booth. Left side shot up a little too strong. Backside board put back good by Leithhead. Yeah. Right wing to Wernsman. In deep, Leithhead spin move. Shot up no good. Booth backside board rebound put back good.
Too many big themselves get stale with the half-court offense. Another takeaway.
Taken away by Kosmicki. 2-on-1 break, right side. Lay in, good. Will retain control, gets it to Booth. The lob in, Leithhead, spin move, shot up, good. Wow. It's a 5-point lead for Southeast into Booth. Baker on the way, good.
It's just